So you've decided you want one of these. I don't blame you. They're pretty much cute 24/7. Everything they do is cute, right? Well, with that kind of cuteness, they come with price. Let me show you what I mean. Pretty cute, right? But look at all that mess they have in there. Actually, it looks kind of clean on camera, but look at all that mess. Oh, pretty cute, right? This is her cage, the bottom of her cage. After a week, this is Wallam's. Again, pretty cute, right? These are the parakeets, and this is the bottom of their cage. After a week. We pull away. Again, cute, right?